Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today I'm trying out a new resin named the Filamont 12K Pro Resin. This is orange red in color. I think the 12K in the name suggests the ability of the resin to hold together higher resolution designs. So let's check it out in this video. SLA printing is a popular choice for high precision and detailed printing. This UV resin is by Filamont and it's a brand under the company Protomont Technologies, who are located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Protomont Technologies deal in FDM, LCD and DLP printers and also industrial grade 3D printers. Check out their website at protomont.com for more details. I have a 1 liter bottle with me. I have seen 10K resin earlier, but this 12K is new to me. The tensile strength to adhere between the modules are what allow for higher quality prints, and with the addition of glass reinforcement, it adds strength too. Here's the resin. We have the Filamont 12K Pro Resin branding in front. We have an expiry date of 2026, so these resins have a shelf life. I have the orange red color, looking forward to see how the prints come out. Do's and do nots on the side of the bottle. This is resin, so be careful how you use it. And opening the cap, we have a seal within too. Nice. We get a filter in the box which allows pouring the unused resin back into the bottle. It has really small holes to keep the particulate matter out and only allows the resin to flow through. So let me get the printer ready and try out a test print. I emptied out the vat and cleaned the bottom. Let's pour in some resin and this should be enough, I guess. My first test with the resin is a simple model. Open the model in anycubic photon workshop. Set it up on the virtual build plate and export the file to a USB pen drive. Attach the drive to the resin printer, load the model, set the exposure settings as per the instructions on the bottle, hit play and away it goes. One thing I notice is that the resin is not smelling like standard resins, which is a plus. Once you cover the printer, the build plate starts to move. It's going to take 4 hours and 21 minutes, so let's come back after the print is complete. It's almost done now, so that's a lot of supports I've added, hope they come off easily. And it's done. It's still wet, so I need to clean it first. Let me move the print into the wash and cure station to clean off the excess resin. It's in and let it run for 10 minutes. The color of the isopropyl alcohol has changed completely, we can't even see the model within. I removed it from the wash station and the supports came out easily. And just look at the details on this model. This is an ornamental clefairy, I still need to cure it, so into the curing station it goes for 10 minutes. Just to make sure all the parts are cured, I'm running a cycle with it lying down on the side too. For even more detail, I'm printing a werewolf model. So the print is complete. Now for the wash, then cure. And this is how the final model looks. Now that it's cured, let's check the models. These are really small details which FDM printers cannot duplicate. And here's the clefairy, look at all the details. This is a really cool model. Here's the werewolf model. The hair, each lock is visible. You can even look at the eyes, you can also see hair in the ears. The resin print has come out really well. I love the matte terracotta look of the resin and it's really cool. Also, there's no smell which you would generally associate with resins. I could sit behind the printer with no problems at all. It is still resin, so all the rules apply to it as well, so use it with caution. The Filamont 12K Pro resin works well and is quite affordable too looking at the prices online. So what do you guys think? Would you pick up a bottle? The link to the resin can be found in the description. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.